There, how are you? Let's today start a chaos engineering series, a couple of episodes where I'm gonna cover some chaos engineering subjects, topics, concepts, and so on. So first, do you know what is chaos engineering? Chaos engineering is a discipline where you make experiments on your system, on your application, in order to reveal its weaknesses, some failure, something that you did not thought that could happen. So basically, you would cause some failures on purpose on your system in order to, show up this kind of weaknesses, so you can make the fixes and make your system, your application more resilient. So basically, chaos engineering is split on 5 phases. The first phase is the steady state phase, where you will find a business metric of your system, so you can find the regular behavior of your system. So you need to map this regular behavior of your system, so then you can try it, you can challenge this regular behavior. The second phase is the hypothesis phase, where you start to make questions about your system. So what if a database shut down? What if I have no cache? What if a port is denied? What if a service return 500 code? So this kind of questions. The third phase is design experiment. So based on the hypothesis, those questions that you don't know the answer, you're gonna try it, these questions, these hypotheses, and then you start designing the experiments. So you will build a kind of test. So for example, I will design a test where my database will be shut down. I will design a test where I will kill an instance machine, for example, if I use in cloud or so. So here you will build your experiments. The third phase, no, this is the third. The fourth phase is the learning and results. So it's where you are going to take the results over your experiments and get lessons learned. For example, how much time it takes to send an alert, how much time my system start the auto recovery if your system has it, how much time into getting to the graceful degradation phase, and so on. So you will learn how your system behaves under this kind of chaos, this kind of failures, and so on. And the fifth phase is basically fixes. So you made a question, you design the experiment, you take the lessons and the results. So now you will do the fixes. So it is a cycle where once you get into the cycle, you have the materials, you have the content, you have the results that will move you, that will guide you in a way to improve your system. Okay, so stay tuned to the next episodes of this series, where I will cover each one of these phases in much more detail, and also get much more another insights over the chaos engineering and how important it is to your system, to your environment, and to the successful of your application, and even better, to improve the experience of your clients under your system and application. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.